Boost juice, right? This is Dubai. This is summer started.
Boost the way you feel.
We are boosted!
Okay, so dito kami, second stop. Reformatory lang.
Refreshing!
Boost the way you feel, Dubai.
Vote for him in the next election. For president, thank you.
Good day everyone. Oh, today is Sunday. Wala ba kayo napupuna? It's New Kid Day. Let's go.
Stay on the road, beach route.
Yeah, just yesterday we passed it.
And Kite Beach to Reformatory, which is in Harbour. So we'll do the loop of the Harbour, stop at Reformatory for a cold brew. That's the second stop. And then from there we go to Blue Water, spend a little bit longer time there. That's the third stop. So 3.
Okay, ride out na kami. So bali tong ride na to, sponsor to ng bus. Ang rota namin, ang alam ko 3 bus branch ang pupuntahan namin. So ang first destination namin, yung bus sa Kite Beach. 20 riders. Alright. Woo! Kuha na natin sa harapan. Okay, so nandito na kami ngayon sa may bus Kite Beach. So may kita nyo yung parang toro na Kite Beach. Ito lang siya. Yan. Katabi lang siya ng Baikira tsaka ng Kimbo. Yan. So tignan natin yung kanilang mga menu. Tignan natin yung kanilang menu. Yan ah. So ito ang kanilang mga menu.
You can also picture this.
Tingnan natin. Most popular. Protein. Cheeky. Crashes. Fresh juices. Andiyan na rin yung mga rice nila. Boosters.
Oh, nice.
Yes,
Love Life. Yes.
Woo!
Love Life.
Oh, nice.
Love Life. Oh, thank you, Larry. Mga tropa natin, oh.
Daming nakikialam dito.
Boost number 1.
Ba't palang hindi siya nag-join?
Now the road is open.
Boost juice, right? This is Dubai. This is summer started. Humidity is high. What better way to refresh yourself than have some Boost juice in you? Nice.
Wow. It's good for everyone. It's good for the body, especially this summer. Boost, oh, it's here. Boost the way you feel. And for all the vegans and non-vegans, it's good for everyone.
Yeah.
Come down to Boost Juice to refuel after a long ride. Great Aussie brand.
We are boosted! Boost! Okay, back to saddle. So I think ang second stop namin sa may Dubai Harbor for coffee. Maganda tignan pag madami talaga eh. Oh. No?
Kompleto ng jersey.
Kaya nga eh.
Ganda tignan.
Ganda.
Kahit anong video or camera picture, maganda.
Lalabas, no?
O, dapat ganyan.
Okay, papasok na yan dyan sa may Dubai Harbor. Patapos na pala tong mosque rito. Oh. Ganda na itong mosque na to. Okay, so dito kami, second stop, Reformatory Lab. Lab this way. So we'll drink some iced coffee here. Yeah. Coming. Wow. Good morning. You know. Oh, good morning. Morning. Oh, maganda rito ah. Maganda yung view niya oh. May kita may mga yate. Yeah.
We'll go upstairs later. Let's get our drink first.
Okay. All good? How's Mike? How's the ride?
Okay, ang Boost.
All goods?
All good. Sagana sa Boost.
Yeah. Explore coffee bean aroma. Whew. How's the ride, Jotan?
Easy.
Easy. Relax.
Feels bored. Troy! Shout out Troy! Gising na!
Saan ka na, Troy?
Maganda rito pag nagkape kayo. View nyo yung Twist Building. Tsaka yung mga yate kong nakapark. Tsaka yung Ain Dubai. Yeah. Yan mga katopa, pag nag-ride kayo ng Dubai Harbor, visit nyo tong area na to, maganda. Kitang kita nyo yung Ain Dubai, tsaka yung mga yate, tsaka yung Twist Building. Try nyo rito, maganda rito.
Tikman natin yung ano.
Sabihin mo.
Tikman natin yung Boost coffee. Nakaiiba yung ano nila, no pre? Yung packaging. Sige ba?
Kaiba yung coffee nila dito, yung lagayan ha. Nasa Incan ha. Reformatory Lab.
Unique.
Astig, di ba?
Guys, look here.
Panayat.
Oh!
Ayos yun oh.
Matcha.
Why like this?
Refreshing.
Okay, let's do the photo.
I mean, this one is reusable or disposable?
It's disposable.
I'll get one as well.
Thank you. Okay, we're done now for coffee. I think our last stop will be in Blue Waters. I think. Not sure. Yun. Okay, yun. Ride out na kami. So, ang third and last stop namin sa may Blue Waters. Woo! Maganda yung spot na yon, yung Reformatory Lab. Pag mag-ride kayo ng Dubai Harbor mga tropa, try nyo mag-stop doon at mag-coffee. Maganda yung view.
umalis, doon pa ako naihi.
Yun nga, doon na tayo sa Blue Water.
Tignan nyo kalsada ng Dubai mga katropa. Napaka-smooth ng spalto. Oh. Yeah. So papasok na tayo ng JBR, Jumeirah Beach Residence. Ito yung gustong gusto ko yung mosque rito. Yan. So ito na ang JBR. Actually yung ganitong klase ng ride ang gusto ko talaga eh. Yung chill lang, yung marami kayong napupuntahan pero yung hindi ka ganun malalaspag, diba? Yan lang, mga 30 kph lang yung takbuhan. Napaka smooth, diba? Ganda ng JBR, no? Kumbaga sa atin parang ano to, Makati. Nagtataas ang mga building. JBR. So ang tagus neto, Blue Waters na. Address Beach Resort. O diba, Blue Waters na. Ayun yung mas magandang daan kaysa yung papasok ko ng looban ng JBR. Yan o. Ganda, diba? Woo! Ayun ang kagandahan dito pag pumunta kayo ng Blue Waters. Meron siyang lugar para sa bike talaga. Ayun na. May bike lane. Ayan yung Ain Dubai. Mainit na. 8:26. Okay, so yan, pag nakabike kayo, pwede naman dalhin yung bike basta akay lang. Kaya akayin nyo lang, wag nyo lang sasakyan. So pwede siya. Ganda, no? Wow, ganda talaga ng Dubai.
Ang lift doon, sarado doon.
Hindi mo naman kung binugo. $30 minutes tong vlog natin, Pop.
Mahaba yan.
Last wheel! Pops, ako ang last wheel! Last wheel! Okay, nandito kami sa may second branch ng bus sa may Blue Waters. So, ayun lang yung Ain Dubai. Ayun lang siya. Ito na yung Boost. Diba? Maganda tong place ng bus na to. Woo! Ganda, oh. Ain Dubai. Yung mga tropa natin. Una-una sa CR to mamaya. Juice, coffee, again juice.
Ito,
wow.
Nandito na naman uli kami noon. Natatandaan nyo yung opening nito, nandito kami noon.
Kasama ko
yan. Just empty cup for me.
Yes.
Anong?
Empty.
Boost the way you feel, Dubai. Yeah.
Mango naman, mango.
Mango. Nag-mango na ako kanina, Paps. Yung una ko mango.
Berry pa, wala.
Oh, lamig. Morning.
Dragon fruit and mango.
Ayun yun, dragon fruit. Dragon fruit and mango. Doon ako sa dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit and mango.
Dragon fruit and mango ako.
All berry.
All berries.
Dragon fruit. Yeah, thank you. Ano yung mga tropa natin? Solve. Anong flavor niyan, Paps?
Berry.
Berry.
And I think the same.
Yeah, dragon.
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit berry. Mix. Paps, kamusta yung lasa? Anong
Masarap.
flavor niyan?
Mas gusto ko tong blended with dragon fruit
Oh, pares tayo.
flavor. Oh, sarap.
Recommended.
Recommended.
Yeah.
We'll take another one.
Yun.
Thank you.
Paps, anong masabi mo sa Boost? Anong flavor niyan, Paps?
Mango.
Mango.
Thank you very much, RWR, Boost, coffee and the juice. Thank you very much. It's very nice.
Yeah. Paps, ano masabi mo sa Boost Juice?
Sarap,
Anong
refreshing.
flavor?
Mango. Sarap. Panalo. Mapapaboost ka talaga rito. Mapapaboost ka talaga.
Thank you, Amit, for the ride. Thank you for the boost. Thank you for Reformatory Club. Ano pa? Wala na. So yun, salamat.
Wait. Vote for him in the next election.
For president, thank you.
Yes, thank you, Boost. Thank you. Boost it. Boost it.
Keep it coming.
Guys, let's say boost the way you feel.
Okay.
Mga katopa, pag pumunta kayo ng Blue Waters at bisitahin nyo yung bus, highly recommended ko tong dragon fruit nila. Ang sarap, promise, ang sarap talaga yan.
Love life. Boost.
Ayan yung magandang Volkswagen, gold. Okay, so ride out na kami. So diretso uwian na to. Dito kami, diretso na to eh. Ganda tignan talaga pag pare-parehas at madami. Woo! Mga Solar Boys. So recap tayo ng naging ride natin ngayon. So yung unang hinto namin sa may Boost Kite Beach. Tapos pangalawa, nagkape kami sa Dubai Harbor sa may Reformatory Hub. Tapos nung huling hinto namin, yung bus sa may Blue Waters. So of course, thank you Amit and sa bus. So ang bus ang bago nating sponsor after the ride. So marirekomenda ko lang pag kayo Blue Waters or sa bus sa Kite Beach, orderin nyo yung dragon fruit. Napakasarap, talagang solid siya. So hanggang dito ang itong video natin. Thank you for watching. See you next one. Bye.
Yes, watch me open this one.
Yeah.
Ang hirap.
Do you know how to open it? Should we call someone?
Struggling now. Cut.
Hi everyone, it's good.
Cut.
Hi.